YouTube. Oh, we're not pausing? What the world? Should I freestyle on the hoe? Nah, I can't rap. Nah, to it. See how this going real quick, man. We got my boy Rod and Chrisnxtdoor and Kalenbree. So let's go ahead and switch screens. If you're new, you watching JakoGeeked. Yeah, man, we just be geeked up over here. No cap, man. You know, hey, let's get right to the video, though. Let me switch screens real quick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead. Oh, it's not even turned up. I think it's a clip from his stream from last night. I didn't watch it. I mean, I watched a little bit when Rod got there, but I didn't see when they was making the song. So yeah.
I have it on my pivot. I don't take it lightly. Hot it from the side like that, and I ain't spiky. Bubbling on now they on that bed. Now she trying to call me a white. I don't know what to say for the second part. That was just how though. I've been ballin' all day. Ain't no rings. You not wifey. Dirty, they be trying.
I'm too turned up. I'm geeked up. Made it my feet up. If I let them, my seat don't work. Come on. One time. Come on.
Hoes will do you wrong. Do you dirty? They be trying.
I'm too turned up. I'm geeked up. Made it my feet up. If I let them, my seat don't bother my piece, bruh. Stars up in these trucks. Face down, the cheeks up. I'm a freak. Bitch, the freaks us. Just cooking like she's, bruh.
You said you were a freak?
Yeah, I'm
You a freak? You gay boy?
Don't make it nasty, bro. Don't make it nasty.
Occasion fire, but we do this on occasion. Level to this shit. Don't get stuck up in her basement. Let me see. Oh, cause like I heard you say cooking, so I was like, I'm extra Cajun fried. Only do this on occasion.
That's fire.
Let me see.
Damn.
Level to this shit. Don't get stuck up in the middle. I ain't chasing on no hoe. She gonna have to do the chasing. I need to find that third, fourth line, bro. I ain't chasing on no hoe. She gonna have to do the.
I can't touch this way.
There she go right here. I should have reacted to the other one. Like, they sold this shit. Too much sound.
Look at the side, you switch. Now look at you where you belong. I fuck shit up, I don't sing songs. Bitch, turn it up, that's my theme song. Yeah, I'd be lying if I said I didn't mean harm. You was scared, bitch, go and ring the alarm. I don't know.
You good, shawty, you good. Shawty, just
emphasize your way. Look at the side you switch on. Now look at you where you belong. I fuck shit up, I don't sing songs. Bitch, turn it up, that's my theme song.
You got an amazing voice.
Yeah, I'd be lying if I said I didn't mean harm. Mean harm? Whoa.
Nah, this shit vibey.
Yeah.
Oh, this nigga play those things. No, you good. We got like 3 minutes left.
I fuck shit up, I don't sing songs. Bitch, turn it up, that's my theme song. Yeah, I'd be lying if I said I didn't mean harm. Bitch, I beat a bitch up like a motherfucking King Kong. Bitch, I'm in that big gun. Yeah. Put it on a rhythm. What if I killed you in front of everybody?
Huh? What she just say? Oh, here, go right here. Ringtone. Hold on, before they even get into the whole verse, bro, Chris should have won the award. I don't care what nobody say, he should have won. The T-Pain don't even be streaming enough. Well, I don't know, because I don't be watching that nigga shit. But he should have won, bro. I don't care. He should have won. He get on this shit every day.
bitch down.
Look at the size you switched on. Now look at you where you belong. I fuck shit up, I don't sing songs. Bitch, turn it up, that's my theme song. Theme song. Yeah, I'd be lying if I said I didn't mean harm. I'll beat a bitch up like I'm a fucking King Kong. Bitch, I've been that big gone. Bitch, I'm Kalenbree. Put me on your motherfucking ringtone. Hey.
I gotta get the jigging on it, bit two-stepping on that hoe. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Damn. Nah, that's a vibe. Damn. Nah, that's just fire. Hey. Go back to that real quick. Let me talk to y'all. Hey, song gonna be dropping. Cap. Song gonna be dropping. I'm capping. Hey. Hey man, that's the little reaction, bro. It was Chrisnxtdoor makes a song with ShelovesRaud and Kalenbree. I'm gonna drop a song, bro. This shit looking fire. I'm gonna start streaming too more, cause, bro, I be looking at the chat, bro. Like they chat be going crazy. Like that live feedback is so cool to me, bro. Like knowing that people watching my videos and commenting on them and shit is cool. But like, bro, that live stream is like it's like instant. So I'm gonna start streaming like my reactions, like just reactions though. I'm gonna get to the gaming part when I get this little Elgato and all that, and you feel me? But hey, that was fire. They need to drop that shit. That was a fire song. Hey, bro. Y'all stay geek. Y'all stay blessed.
It's on the beat, make it boom.
And we what about you, bitch?